Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into the untold secrets of electric car charging. So, buckle up and let's get started. Electric cars are taking the world by storm, but how much do we really know about charging them? It's not as simple as just plugging it in. There are different types of chargers, charging speeds, and even charging strategies to consider. Now, let's debunk some common myths about electric car charging. Myth 1. Electric vehicles are worse for the climate than gasoline cars because of power plant emissions. Fact. Electric vehicles typically have a smaller carbon footprint than gasoline cars, even when accounting for the electricity used for charging. Myth 2. Electric vehicles are worse for the climate than gasoline cars because of battery manufacturing. Fact. The greenhouse gas emissions associated with an electric vehicle over its lifetime are typically lower than those from an average gasoline-powered vehicle, even when accounting for manufacturing. Myth 3. The increase in electric vehicles entering the market will collapse the US power grid. Fact. Although experts believe that the increase on the electrical grid is expected to be 18% by 2030 and 35% by 2035, the consensus by experts is that the electrical grid can and will support mass EV adoption. Myth 4. There is nowhere to charge. Fact. There are more charging stations now than ever before, 61000 as of February 2024, and the number is growing every day. Myth 5. Electric vehicles don't have enough range to handle daily travel demands. Fact. In 2024, the average for most new electric vehicles is a range of 234 miles, which is more than enough for most daily commutes. By 2030, the expected average single charge range is expected to increase to 274 miles. Myth 6. Electric vehicles are not as safe as comparable gasoline vehicles. Fact. Electric vehicles have to meet the same safety standards as gasoline vehicles. Myth 7. It costs the same to charge an EV as a gasoline-powered vehicle. Fact. Charging an EV can be much cheaper than filling up a gasoline car, especially if you charge at home. To compare, the average cost to fill a gas-powered car driving 15,000 miles per year is $9,240, while an EV charging at home driving the same mileage would be $4,295. Keep in mind that fuel is not the only variable in total cost of ownership. Myth 8. You have to replace an EV's battery after 5 years. Fact. Most electric vehicle manufacturers offer warranties for their batteries for at least 8 years. US federal law requires a minimum of 8 years or 100,000 miles of battery coverage with any new electric or hybrid vehicle bought in the US. Myth 9. It takes too long to charge. Fact. Charging times can vary, but with a level 2 or DC fast charger you can charge your EV much faster than you might think. In the next scene, we discuss the types of chargers and the length of time based on the type. First, let's talk about the types of chargers. There are 3 main types: Level 1, Level 2, and DC fast chargers. Level 1 chargers use a standard household outlet, while Level 2 chargers require a special installation but offer faster charging times. DC fast chargers, on the other hand, are the quickest but are more commonly found in commercial settings. Charging speeds can vary greatly depending on the type of charger you use. A Level 1 charger might take overnight to fully charge your car, while a DC fast charger can get you to 80% in just 30 minutes. Did you know that when you charge can affect your electricity bill and even the lifespan of your battery? Charging overnight can take advantage of lower electricity rates, and keeping your battery between 20% and 80% can help prolong its life. That's all for today's video on the untold secrets of electric car charging. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, safe driving and happy charging.